Hey, what's up guys? Samsung India launched the Galaxy M series smartphone earlier this year in a bid to win back the lost ground in the budget smartphone market in India, a space dominated by the likes of Xiaomi, Realme and others. Released back in June, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 powered Samsung Galaxy M40 is the most powerful and expensive handset in this family of Android handsets. However, Samsung is ready to raise the bar higher with the new Galaxy M device, the Galaxy M90, which is supposed to launch in India in the last quarter of the year. The Samsung Galaxy M90 will arrive in more variants, but nobody can tell exactly how many. For now, the only thing that can be confirmed is that the upcoming device is internally known as R6, and one of the variants is codenamed SM-M905F. According to tipster Ishan Agarwal, Samsung is working on Galaxy M90 and later clarifies that apparently the M90 will be a lot like A90. As for the processor news, Samsung could swap the processor for something more budget-friendly like Snapdragon 712 or Snapdragon 730 SoC, but these are just speculations at the moment. What has thus far been leaked about the Galaxy A90 is that the device will sport a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display. Some believe the display to appear like Note 10 with a punch hole aligned in the middle, and few speculate it to have a U-shaped notch. Now comment below your thoughts on it. It is expected to come in 4G and 5G variants that will sport different hardware. When it comes to 5G being implemented, currently there are no Snapdragon processors in mid-range to provide 5G, but there is possibility that Snapdragon would launch Snapdragon 735 processor which will come equipped with 5G, or Samsung could use one of their own processor. We'll have to wait for that. That reminds me, if you haven't yet subscribed, then please do it right now. So let's continue. It is also set to pack a massive 4400 mAh battery, which is not something new as Samsung Galaxy M series are known to have huge battery life. The rumored list of specs includes Android 9 Pie based firmware with Samsung's One UI on top, possibly the second major version of this custom Android build. And obviously, the Galaxy M90 will only make its debut in India and other markets will get it later, most likely just in time for the holiday shopping season. But everything regarding this handset should be taken with a grain of salt for the time being. For more such updates, you know what to do. So guys, this is it. See you next time. Peace out.